Send emacs buffer to arbitrary Python process. I like the Python send buffer command. However, I very often use Python embedded in applications, or launch Python via a custom package management system, to launch Python with certain dependencies. In other words, I can't just run Python and get a useful Python instance, something that Python send buffer relies on. What I would like to achieve is, in any Python interpreter, or application that allows you to evaluate Python code, import a magic_emacs_python_server.py module, appending to sys.path, as necessary. In Emacs, run magic emacs python send buffer. This would evaluate the buffer in the remote Python instance. Seems like it should be pretty simple. The Python module listens on a socket, in a thread. It evaluates in the main thread, and returns the wrapper of the result, or maybe captures the stout/stare, or maybe both. The Emacs module would just send text to the socket, waits for a string in response, and displays it in a buffer. Sounds so simple, something like this must exist already. IPython has IP_vim server, but this is the wrong way around. There's also swank. While it seems very list specific, there is a JavaScript backend which looks very like what I want. But searching finds almost nothing, other than some vague, possibly true, claims that Slime doesn't work nicely with non-Lisp languages. In short, does a project exist to send code from an Emacs buffer to an existing Python process? If not, how would you recommend I write such a thing, not being very familiar with the Lisp, swank, IPython server code? Simple TCP server from scratch?
Comment provides most of the infrastructure for stuff like this. There's a bunch of good examples, like this or this. It allows you to run a command, provides things comment send stream to easily implement send region type commands. dvr/remoterepl on GitHub is a crude proof of concept of what I described in the question. It lacks any kind of polish, but it mostly works. You import the replify.py module in the target interpreter, then evaluate the Emacs remote repl.l after fixing the stupid hard-coded path to client.py.
Doesn't shell command give you what you are looking for? You could write a wrapper script or adjust the hash and sys.path appropriately.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.